Hello, my fellow idiots, and welcome to episode 4 of An Idiot's Guide. The last episode was guild events, right? Delete, create, member add, member remove, etc. You can see them on screen. This episode is focusing on client events. Now, yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong, they're all client events, but personally, I specifically call, if I could fucking select them, I consider those guild events and everything else either client events or role events. Now, I'm going to try and get through as many as possible, but this might be a two-parter, so I'll give you a heads up. And I'm sorry, I'm full of cold again. Daughter brings back bugs from nursery, or kindergarten, as you guys call it, I think, or is it daycare? I don't know, don't care. Right, so we're going to go through channel, create, delete, pins update, channel update. I'm not exactly going to show you the debug, error and warn events, but I am going to go over them. Disconnect event, the message stuff, the ready event I've already covered, reconnect event, these two fucking annoying events, user update, and yeah. So, this is our code from where we last left it. So we need to go to, I'm all over the place. Channel create. Emitted whenever a channel is created and you get the channel object. So, as always, we copy this and paste it. Let's just fix some of this formatting. So, what is it? Channel create. Channel create. And it gives us a channel object. Now, you can send messages to the channel as soon as you make them. I didn't know this until I'd actually, because my method of this is I go through it to refresh myself on how to use it, and then I do the video. But one thing I learned is you can actually send a message to the channel you've just made, and I'll cover that. But for first, we're going to log it to the console, and we're going to use template literals, not temporal literals. I kept saying in the last episode. I do apologise for that. And yeah, I remember. Channel dot type. Channel.type by the name of channel.name, and if you're wondering where I'm getting all this info from, is the channel object, client create actor, but the text channel has the guild, the members, the messages, the name, typing count, position, etc. It has all the information we need on both the text channel that extends the guild channel, and if I remember right, the guild channel extends channel. So again, you've got your ID, your name, your type. So yeah, we're good. Is that everything? Yeah. And was channel dot created at with the ID of, see, I'm showing you how to use all, channel dot ID. Right, that will log it to the console of the certain details, and now we can just do channel dot send message. You were successful careful in creating this channel. Yeah, gotta give it a minute to catch up. This really annoys me. The fact that it hangs when you do the first save, it hangs. Right, and now we shall load the bot. Come on. And there it goes. Right. Let's snap and snap. Okay. That's how it's gonna log and it's gonna send a message when we add a new channel. Now I will say I have not done any sanity checks. Sanity checks is basically making sure that it doesn't crash. So it's like catching errors, checking certain requirements. I mean, if I was to create a voice channel, that channel send message would crash the bot, and I might actually show that. So yeah, hello world. And as soon as I hit this create button, oh look, we have a message. Perfect. A text. I should have put text channel. A text channel by the name of Hello World. Get rid of the and. Was created. I really fucking can't spell this morning. With the idea of basically minus like spelling and grammar. You did not see anything. I mean, let me delete this channel. Let's add a new one. Fixed. Hello world. There you go. A text channel by the name of Fixed Hello World was created Wednesday with the ID of the. Perfect. And again, you got your message. Now, this is what I was demonstrating. So if we do, I'm gonna die. See? Channel.sendMessage is not a function. Now, I'll just show you how to fix that off the top of my head. Let's shrink you. I don't like the fact that you got that big. Okay. If channel dot type text return. Yeah. Now that should work. Let's just do a quick check. Testing world. Aha! See? No crash. No crash. And if I was to do this, testing world. Oh look. Sounds amazing. Great. Realistically, that's the only static check you need to do to make sure if it's a text channel, if you want to send a message to the newly created channel, is to make sure the type is text. So, okay, actually I won't delete that. I want to go on to the next event, which is client.on channel delete channel do. Now it's going to, as I said in the previous events video, it's basically the information you get minus the updating. The create and delete is basically the same. So I'm just going to whiz through this. Console.log. template literals, a channel dot type by the name of okay. And I think we can actually do this. Channel dot guild dot. Right, and we do default channel dot send message channel deleted. Now, I think we can do that. I'm not 100% sure, but hey, we're gonna learn. So that's let's just get straight on with it and delete. Channel deleted. So yeah, we can send a message. We can get the guild object from the channel create. So we could literally log everything like create channel, delete channel, etc. to a guild channel, which can be annoying, but that's user preference. I wouldn't want a bot to literally log everything. No, thank you. And the last bit is, let's go back to climb. Channel update. Now we're going to use our good old friend deep diff, and we're actually going to just copy that. So as usual, client.on channel update old channel new channel arrow functions for the win, and it is just literally, just do this, and we shall snap this back over here. Where are you? Okay, now we'll create a new channel so we can just mess around with it. Channel test. Yeah, create channel. Okay. Now if I was to do this, this is a channel update test. So here we go. As I said, it'll give you permissions. Let's see if I can change permission. No. See, it knows there's a change, but it can't read the change for some reason. So I'm gonna check my server settings for the bot. Roll bot. Now I will say it's got a bunch of permissions it didn't have in the last episode, because as I said, I do a dry run through like what I'm going to talk to you guys about, and then I reset everything, reset all the code, reset the server, but I forgot to redo the permissions. Okay, even though it has all the permissions to see everything, it can't see permission override changes, which is odd. Okay, I can't make a webhook. Let's just change the name. Yeah, I said now new to the channel, well, the update stuff. I say we've covered the update stuff, pretty much all of it. You got your update user, and there. Okay, I'm not covering any more update events because they're basically the same. Literally. There is one update event that I will cover. Oh, sorry, just looking at my notes. And that is the channel pins update. the channel that the pins update occurred in the time of the pins update. So, okay, client.on channel pins update channel time okay, and we want channel.guild default channel.send message and template literals. I'm making good use of the default channel just so you guys really understand how to send a message to it. So I want to send the pins for channel.name have been updated. I can't remember if it returns like a proper date object. Oh no, it's time. Yeah. Okay, it's updated at time. Okay. Now, in theory, if I were to pin this, general should light up. Pins for finish test have been updated at Wednesday. Now, there is a caveat to this. For some reason, when you unpin something, it displays the time incorrectly. So it's like, for example, unpin message, yes, remove it. As you see, the time object returns Thursday, January 1st, 1970. Now, unless we've gone back in time, that's bugged. I'm going to mention it to Hydrobolt and show him this timestamp. There we are flying through the events. So you got your channel stuff. Okay, we want message event. We've already got covered. Basically, it fires every time your bot sees a message. Message delete, and it gives the message object. Okay. Client.on. Now I will say this, the message delete and the message bulk delete are actually two separate events. What am I doing now? Jump the gun a bit. Okay, console.log. A message with the contents, message.clean content was deleted from, now this is just a guess, message.channel. Now, as always, that's just going to log to the console when a message is deleted, and it should log the message content and what channel the message was deleted. So let's delete this message. Okay. Did I do that right? Message delete, emitted whenever a message deleted. Message, delete message. Alright, moving on. Typically it does work. Client.on message delete bulk. Now I know that's the event. What does it return? Messages. So it's a collection. Okay, you can't really do much with this, so let's just console.log messages.size deleted. Now I'm gonna have to right now we've written out the message delete bulk event, but we actually need something that'll delete messages in bulk. So let's go down to the message event handler, make a bit of room. Now I'm just going to straight up copy the example from discord.js official. It's in the example channels. And I'm going to put it like this. Okay, what's going on here? There we go. And stick a else there. Right, so delete a bulk of messages, and I need to change this to result. Right. Now, if I just go blah 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 blah, just wait for it to catch up. Yeah, idiotbots is online. If we were to do not urge, purge, it'll wipe out all the messages instantly, and it'll tell you 17 messages have been purged. But for some reason the event fires twice. Not sure why. So we've done create, delete, update for the channel, the pins channel update, message delete bulk. Now what events are left? Let's go scroll back to the top. Message update. As I said before, I'm not going to bother doing that. Present update, not going to bother doing that. Role. The role events, if I'm right, I think that's next episode. Yep, next episode. Okay, typing start, typing stop. This is an event that's going to get annoying quickly, but I've got to show you guys how to use it. So channel user, yeah, okay. Okay, right. As usual, client.on. Is it typing stop? Okay. Typing start, should I say? Channel user. Yeah, channel user. Big fat arrow function. Okay. I'll do to console. Console.log. Okay, use, no, not pound sign, dollar sign. User dot username has started typing in channel dot name, and whilst I'm just going to do typing stop. It's literally the same as stopped. Okay, let's put you over here. Grab you. Right, watch down here. Yeah. There is a slight delay. I mean, if you watch me and watch it, I'll I'll try and stick these as side by side as I can for comparison. Now watch. Typing. Okay, if I just do that and just leave it. I mean, this isn't a fair test, so give it a minute. Okay, stopped typing, and if I just go started typing. Now if I'm right, the icon and the notification should happen simultaneously. Oh, okay, the animation continues for a little bit longer. But as you can see, it gets real spammy really quickly, so yeah. So just for our sanity, let us comment out those events. And I'll put a note on here. Spammy as hell. And save. Okay. As I say, I'm not doing the status updates anymore because it's literally old versus new, and I've shown you guys how to do that using deep diff. So that leaves, I think, yeah, that just leaves, let's see, debug, disconnect, error, ready event we've already covered, reconnecting, and warm. So I cannot remember. Let me just. Now I usually stick the debug and whatnot events right at the bottom. So let's have a look again. Debug. So client.on debug. This is all going to be the same basically. Console.log e. That'll debug. So just copy, paste. So that'll be warm, error. I think that's debug, error, and warm. Okay, yeah. That basically, if anything happens with Brainheart, if anything happens with Discord.js, it'll tell you. It'll either give you warnings or error, it'll debug. Now, I'm actually just going to test it. Yes. I'm going to have to change my token. Right. This is actually a good thing. I wasn't intending to show you this. But if I reopen my self-bot, I actually added some regex to replace my token. Okay, let's actually just copy that over. Stick it over. I'm going to stick that here. Basically, what this will do. Okay, yeah, you're debugging, that's fine. It's going to detect and remove the token. And all you need is the dot replace token. That's all you need. So I'll throw it in there. Throw it in there. Throw it in there. Now, if I was to save, it crashed. Why did it crash? Why did that crash? Oh, identify token has already been yes, it has, hasn't it? So let's call this one. No, I need to do correctly. Reg token. So copy, paste, paste, paste. There we go, that should right, there you go. Right there. Okay, we need the disconnect event. And that is simply, let's collapse these. That's the message event, client event, ready event. I like to keep all of like the connection events, reconnect and ready, disconnect, you know, all in the simplest. So client.on disconnect. There we go. I got hiccups. Console.log template literals. You have been disconnected at new date. I can't really demonstrate that, but if you get disconnected, that event will fire and it will inform you. But and there's also the client.on, I think it's reconnecting or reconnection. Reconnecting. And it's basically the same. Ooh, almost forgot, didn't realise that. And semicolon. Now, I'm going to do this basic login. As I say, if I actually show you my self-bot log, you can see in action, you know, reconnected at this time, and it does like, it fires the ready event. Reconnected at this time, fires the ready event. Reconnected at this time, fires the ready. As you can see, it disconnected quite a few times today. And so yeah, the reconnection event is really handy. So those will fire whenever you disconnect, reconnect, which is good because quite a few people will be like, I disconnected, but I don't know why. My uptime has been ruined. But have those and you get your reason why. Now, going back to the debug warn and error events. I haven't actually had a chance to test this out because I've only learned about it in the last 2-3 hours because it's been a jump cut. But there's this module, npm.js. There's a module called chalk. It's this one. Here we go. And it'll highlight everything. So we want to colorize certain things to basically debug at a glance. So let us terminate you, comment out debug. Just for now. We go npm I chalk -- save. Now remember, that'll save it to the package file, and once that's done, I feel like hairs tickled on the back of my neck. Oh, that just reminded me. Package file. I need to change this. Tutorial bot, and this has gone through like a major upgrade, a minor and significant patches. Yep. I mean, I could probably get rid of that, but for this example I'm just going to leave it out. Probably remove it between this episode and the next episode. Actually, let's close that as well. Okay, right, let's have a look. Usage, var chalk, right, we need to do that at the top. Const, because it's going to be constant, we're not going to change it. If I can actually fucking do it. Okay, well, we've required chalk. So it's chalk.blue. So we could even do our own stuff. So I'm hitting caps lock by accident. Whoopsie. Right, warnings. They're typical. I should do errors. They're red. So we do chalk dot. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Style modifiers. Let's not bother with that. Let's do BG red. BG red. Is it BG? Yeah, BG red. Now, we can't really demonstrate that because we'd have to cause an error. Can I cause an error? Nah, let's not. Warnings. Chalk.bg yellow. Let's do yellow. Shame we can't do an orange. And one we can test is debug. So I will actually do that as blue. No, yeah, blue. Chalk.bg blue. And just because it'd look amazing, chalk.bg green. Right, if I save it, okay, here we go. Ooh, that has my eyes. But as you can see, there's your debug information, there's your status. And I mean, you can, as I say, you could do reset. You could do reset. I think like wipes everything. Bold, dim, italics, underlines, inverse, hidden, strike through, not blind spot. You could do black, red, green, yellow, blue, magenta, cyan, white, grey. Okay. Background, black, red, green, yellow, blue, magenta, cyan, white. Yeah. But yeah, that will pretty much cover what's the remainder of the client events. As I say, we're going to be covering the role events tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, but in the next episode. But yeah, all I can say is if you've enjoyed this episode, please leave a like. If you want to share it with it, share it. If you're not a subscriber and you enjoy what you see, please subscribe. I'm going to be trying to upload these every Monday, so every Monday you get a dose of York. And I'll see you guys in the next video. But just remember, what do I know? I'm just an idiot. Bye.